Guys, need to show you this video about car wash project, car wash building. You can see here mason work, and there is expansion joint here at the edge. Okay, you can see inside, you can see they foam and they put plastic sheet 15 mil, and they are ready to install the rebar. And you can see here another section, they put the rebar like 1 foot in each direction, 1 foot in each way, and you can see they cover it with a piece of wood 2x12. Okay, so you can see here the lintel, you can see that's block, that's the lintel with these 2 pieces of rebar, number 5, and they pour solid, and that's how mason work be. And here again you can see plastic sheet ready to put rebar down, number 4. Here they step up the mason dowels, like after they pour they will fix it and lay it up, and then lay block for walls. Okay guys, here you can see RCP for storm sewer system. Okay, and inside you can see at the back the beam to carry the weight for the mason work. And here you can see all the electrical conduits step up. Okay guys, here you can see metal, and here the catch basin structure, the grid, the metal. Okay guys, this project about car wash project. Okay guys, so again mason work, like inside here you can see mortar, you can see joints, smooth joints, and there is a spacing here with the plates for beams. Okay guys, if you like this video, please like, subscribe. We'll upload more videos about construction work. Thank you guys, bye.